So this is what we'll be creating today totally for free. Hello and welcome back. So as you saw in the intro, that is what we'll be creating for free using just the Canva software. So since we'll be creating our custom subscribe button for free using the Canva software, there are some pro features that we will not be using, and I will be showing you an alternative way how you can achieve same results for free. So make sure you watch all the videos so you don't miss any important points. But before we start, I just want you to visit Fiverr. I just want to say you can offer services like this to be creating custom subscribe button for YouTubers, like as you can see people are doing it on Fiverr. So this is not something that you need to take it lightly. I want you to watch the video and so you understand all the steps which I will use, because you can be offering services like this and be earning some money, and as these people are earning. Since Fiverr is very crowded, I will be explaining to you in another video where you will get only YouTubers, where you can be proposing services like this to them. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out that video, because we'll be doing many designs for YouTubers, so I'll be dropping that video. So after you learn all those designs, you can just be messaging only YouTubers community, where you can just be messaging only YouTubers, so you can start offering services and start earning some money. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out that video. So coming back to our custom YouTube subscribe button, we'll be using Canva. So just hover over where it says video and you click on it. So when it opens up here now, I just want you to change the background to a green color. So after changing to green color now, just go to where it says elements and we are going to search on rectangle, or you can just type, you can just see the arrow key on your keyboard to bring out the rectangle. Just position it like this. Make the color white. Then we have to edit this rectangle now. As you can see, the edges are too sharp, so you tap on it. You come to where it says round corners. Somewhere there is okay. So after doing that, now we'll just go in and add our elements that we're going to be using. You go to where it says elements, you search on frame. Because this frame is where our profile picture is going to sit. You add text, you can just type on use a T key on your keyboard to bring up the text. Your channel name. I'll make it bold. I'll just make it bold, then I position it correctly. So if there's any time and you are moving something in Canva and it is snapping, this can be annoying sometimes. So you hold down the control key. When you hold down the control key now, you can easily move it without it snapping. So after doing that now, I'll just duplicate it. Then I just write what my channel is all about. You just write what your channel is all about. But now I'm not going to make it bold. I'm not going to make it in capital letters. My channel is all about working and earning, because here we teach you, I share with you the skills you need to learn and how you need to apply those skills and start making money. So that's what this channel is all about. If you're interested in knowing, I don't want to miss out some important videos are coming, so just subscribe. So we'll just unbold it, something like that is okay. So the way you want your own to be is, it totally depends on you. We'll go in now in elements and then we'll search for the subscribe button. When you search, you come to where it says graphics. You click on it. So once you search for subscribe button, immediately you notice that most of the things here are paid, and I said that we'll be creating it totally for free. So if you are a pro user, you can just go in and select anyone here and you use. But since I said we'll be creating it for free, we're going to create our own subscribe button from scratch. So just tap to where it says text So follow closely as I create it. So after typing that, you come to where you tap on it, then you come to where it says effects. You click on it. In these effects here are all free, you can use it. And then you come to where it says background, you tap on it. So you see it has gotten the background, but now we need to change the colors because the colors don't rhyme. Then we need to edit the space, make it round. You see the gap is too much, we need to reduce it. We change the color. The normal subscribe button has the red color, then the text should be white. So as you can see, we have just created our own subscribe button. So that is it, and we'll just continue editing, continue creating now. Then after positioning it where we want, we just go back to the element tab and we search on circle. You can use a key C on your keyboard. So the background of this circle needs to be red. So you see it is still snapping. Sometimes this is not good. So you click the control and then the control key, and then you position it where you want. Change the color, come to where it says color. Then we select the color picker because we want the same color which is on the subscribe button to be on it. So select the same color and we'll pick it like that. Then we'll duplicate it. We'll bring this other side. Something like that is okay. Now in this section we're going to add the like button. You come here when it says graphic, you search on like. Like I said, we'll be doing it totally for free, so we are not going to take anything which is pro here. So this one is okay. So far, if you are enjoying the video, please give it a thumbs up. As we have just input the like button, just give the video a thumbs up and make sure you comment down below. Animated icons in Canva, the colors cannot be edited, and we want all our subscribe button to be just like the original subscribe button of YouTube. So we need to change this color to white. We'll search now for the bell icon. So we are not using any pro feature here. So I just wanted to create this using just a free plan because there are so many people that have been complaining that they're not on a pro plan. So you can still do it. And like I showed you in the beginning, you can see over services like this. You can see over to be creating things like this for YouTubers. So after doing all that, now what is left now is to animate all what we have here. Just to animate it. Oh sorry, my picture I've not yet put in mine, because you know this is we're customizing it, so you need to have your picture here and your channel, everything should be customized. So let me just input my picture now. So to add a picture now, you just go to where you say upload and you just drag the picture into the frame. We are left now to add the click. For the mouse click now, we'll just take this one. We'll reduce the size. So as you can see, it is behind the subscribe button. That is not good. We'll just come here where you say small, layer, and we bring it to front. As you can see now, it is in front. So something like that is okay. So now we'll continue now with the animation. So in doing the animation now, I want you to follow very closely, because if you mess up here, there are some things that it's not going to flow very well. So first, you copy it all. You know that you copy it all. Then you group it. And once you group it now, you copy again. You go to where it says animation. Animate. You tap on it. Follow closely. Here's the animation that we'll be using, the baseline animation. When you tap on it now, you come down to where it says animate. You take on both. That means one need to go up and one need to come down. But there's something you need to tap on now again. On this button, you need to click this button on, because if you don't click the button, with the animation, when the animation will come up as it's going up, to go out again it will just go back up. So when you click this button, it's going to come up and then it goes down. Let me just show you what I'm saying. So we take our mouse to the beginning. This button is off. Let me just show you what it does. So you see it comes up, then it goes up. That's not what we want. We want it to come up and go back down. So we tap on this button here to switch it on. So let me show you now what it does. You see it comes up, then it go back down. That is what we want. Then you play now with the speed. You just play with the speed. I think that's okay. Then now when that is done, we want to also animate again additionally this subscribe button, because as this mouse is clicking, it should be as if the subscribe button is also being animated. So you scroll down again, the same thing, you click on it, you come to animate, it's going to be here. You scroll down, we'll take on this pause animation. So you see when the mouse is clicking, it's as if it is reacting to it. But now we'll come down now, then we'll reduce the intensity. Well, at that point now I think it is okay, because the mouse is coming the same time, so I think it's okay there. So that's it. Now our animation is done. Now if you are a pro user, because this is our animation, it's already done, I'll leave it for 6 seconds. If you are a pro user, what you can do now is you can just come here to where it says share, you tap on it, to where it says download. So I'm going to show you alternative way how to do this if you're not a pro user, because I said we're going to do this totally for free. MP4, that's not what we want. You scroll down to where it says GIF, you tap on it, then you choose transparent background. You can see the pro icon here, so this is only for pro users. You tap on the transparent background. They say this design here, forget about what they say here, just download your GIF. Then if you're not a pro user, you are going to download this as an MP4, then you input it in your desired editing software. As that is downloading, we'll just download it again as an MP4. Follow closely with me. We'll just download as an MP4. So let the download finish. So as you can see, our download GIF is over. So we'll just go now play it. Here is it. We'll just play it now. So as you can see, for free, we have created our subscribe button, custom subscribe button animation. It's just going to be playing like that because it's a GIF. So now the next one that we did was the video. This is it here. I will show you now how to add it to your videos. If you're not a pro user, this is what you're going to download as a video. You just go now to your editing software of your choice. So you just go to the editing software of your choice. Me now, I'm using CapCut. You just drag and you drop the MP4 that we downloaded. Now in CapCut, this is another video that I created, 2D animation that I created for an explainer video for a business. So check my YouTube channel, you see how I do to create this type of videos. At any position that we want the subscribe button to come up, to come in, we just go and we add it to the timeline. As you can see, it has taken all the screen. Don't be worried, we are going to arrange it. So to remove the green screen, you tap on it. It comes to where it says remove background. You tap on it, you take on chroma key, then you take this drop icon and you tap on it. You tap on the green space. After tapping on the green space, now you can see that that's it. The green background has gone. You can just resize your subscribe button the way you want it to be now, and it's still going to take the animation as we play now, and you see. So please, if you are enjoying the video so far, please make sure you like, comment, and you subscribe, and you share the video. It helps me know that you like videos like this, and I'll be creating more videos like this for you for free. So you see, that's our animation, that's our subscribe button. As you can see, that's our subscribe button. Sorry, it's lacking a little bit because I'm recording the screen. As you can see, that's our subscribe button there. As I'm going front and back, forward and backward, as you can see, that's it. That's our subscribe button there. That's what we have created for free. It's lacking like this because I'm recording the screen, and so there's nothing there. That's what we have created totally for free. And you can just go now like this and start proposing to YouTubers to creating such unique custom subscribe button like that for them and start earning some money. See you in the next video. Stay creative.